Pictures worth 1,000 words, so I'm going to walk you through 4 simulations here that really just demonstrate kind of what we're trying to help people understand. This is a Finding Wilson simulation, and we literally took a volleyball, made it Wilson, put a helmet on its head, and threw it over the edge of the Stope without the pilot and the responding team present. And then we essentially deployed them to try and find Wilson. So you can see the pilot is basically taking his one bag solution, plugging it in, and he's ready to go. Maybe that's a minute and a half when he gets to this situation. Now what you're seeing here is the FPE perspective of the flight. This is what the pilot sees through the goggles. He's over the brow and into the Stope, and now he's got to sort of understand the lay of the land and try and determine where the missing worker might be. This current unit is pushing 600 lumens. The unit we're shipping is now at 2,000 lumens. So it's over 3 times the amount of light that you're seeing here. Not that there's a problem with this light, but you know, the more light, the better from our perspective. And so the pilot now has to do a sort of a search grid to try and determine not only an orientation inside the Stope, but a determination of where the resource might be or the worker might be. Now, we did try to make it difficult by removing all the reflective stickers from the helmet, although you'll see in this video, we forgot one, because in a moment, I think you'll see a little bit of a reflection that, that he's able to zero in on. Now, I mean, in a real world situation, a worker would have lots of reflective gear on, but we wanted to try and make this as difficult as possible. So you can see he's discovered where Wilson is. Now he can hover in around the worker's determined condition, and is this rescue? Is it recovery? And once that's done and he's got the best assessment possible, he can return to the LZ. And I should mention as well that this unit is holding or carrying a high def camera, 4K, that is recording all of the video in 360 3 degrees. And that video is available on landing so that the rescue team could essentially review all of that in a little more detail to determine a response plan. And now you see here that he's going to basically return to the LZ, and he can review his video data with his crew, and they can make a determination of what to do next. So very, very simple example of determining rescue recovery in an area where you would have had to put people at risk to do that initial assessment.